In this example, we'll use the midday drawing for Virginia Pick 3. But you can follow the same steps for your own state. I'm going to show you how hot numbers work. We updated the generators so you can track your plays more clearly, find stronger hot numbers, and see exactly how those numbers are created. Step 1. Start with the previous draw. We'll use 951. Enter 951 and generate the rundown. The system will populate the grid. You'll see a line. That line is the path. It shows all the different ways this number can connect. Step 2. Understand mirrors and flips. Every number has a mirror partner. Here are the pairs. 0 is 5. 1 is 6. 2 is 7. 3 is 8. 4 is 9. So the mirror of 951 is 406. Numbers also have flip partners. A flip is the digit plus 3 and we drop the first digit in any double-digit result. For example, 9 plus 3 is 12, drop the 1, keep the 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 901 flips to 234. You don't need to do this math yourself. The generator does it for you. Step 3. Look at path counts. Hot numbers shows how many paths a number has in the grid. For example, 901 shows 16 paths. That means this family is strong. As you click through, you'll see variations like 956 is also 901. 906 is also 901. 345 is also 901. The more paths a family has, the stronger it is to play. Step 4. Spot number families. Here are some examples. 789 is the mirror of 234. 284 connects to 739, 239, 289, and 734. 345 is also 890. If a family has many paths, it's a high confidence set. You can play both the original and its mirror. Step 5. Use the day sum and mirror. Winning numbers often sit between the day sum and its mirror. For example, if the day sum is 9, the mirror is 4. Anchor your picks along these rails. Step 6. Use the search box to test real draws. Go to the search box at the bottom. Type 896. The system shows it appears 5 times in this grid. As you click, you'll see it appear as 396, 341, 841, and 896 straight. Now type 579. It only shows 2 paths. That tells you to try a different generator, like 317, 730, or 063. Different rundowns heat up at different times in each state. When you find a generator that covers more paths, ride it for about a week. Step 7. Weekly routine. Here's a simple routine. Look back 4 days. Take that midday number as your seed. Example, 889. Generate the rundown. Check the next few days and search 823, 456, 691, 112, 752, 896, 951. Watch the path counts. 823 has 8 paths. 456 has 16 paths. 112 has 14 paths. If a number doesn't appear, like 691, skip it. Don't force it. Pro tip, if you see lots of doubles, consider swapping one for its mirror. For example, if you keep seeing 33, try 878, 378, or 382. Step 8. Look for clusters. For example, 901, 109, 951. 456, 654. 223, 234. 789, 678. Those clusters are your short list. Prioritize families with the most paths that sit on the day sum and mirror rails. That's how hot numbers work. Map the paths, count the variations, filter with day sum and mirrors. Play the clusters. If this makes sense, drop I understand in the comments. Like this video and subscribe, follow and share for the quick stacks deep dive next. Good luck, and I'll see you on the other side.